Welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys an upgrade that we've carried out on a Porsche 718. We've upgraded not only the sound in the vehicle but also got rid of all those rattles that you get from your factory door card. If you haven't seen us before, make sure you check us out by hitting that subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Other than that guys, let's get started. If you're annoyed or upset about the rattles that you're getting in your new Porsche, or just disappointed with the overall sound quality that you're getting from your new Porsche, we can change that. That's exactly what this customer's done today. Booked his vehicle in, we've carried out an install, and he's gonna be over the moon with the finished product. What we've actually carried out is a completely stealth, completely hidden away, OEM look audio system for this Porsche 718. I'm gonna be talking you through that. If you haven't seen us already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. What this customer was after was removing all the rattles that you get from the factory door cards, better overall sound quality, but also a complete stock look, and we have achieved everything and some. I'm going to be talking you through everything now. So in terms of the actual door card, in terms of getting rid of those rattles that might drive you crazy, we can correct that. Basically, it's the way the door card is put together by Porsche, and this is the same on the 718 to the 992. Across all of the new range, the way the door cards are put together do cause a little bit of resonation inside that. So what we do is correct that using skin soundproofing. It's a 3mm layer. Basically what we've carried out is an installation, making this really, really solid now, so it feels solid. So soundproofing basically does three key things. First thing is that it reduces resonation that you get in the door, which is this car is very prone to. The other thing it does is it reduces some of the road noise that you get, but the main thing is it builds a better acoustic environment for your new speakers to work in. So we can do the soundproofing option just by itself, or we can do it like this with a speaker upgrade at the same time. So what we're using is the Audison Prima APK163. It's a three-way system, replacement tweeter, replacement mid-range, as well as the fact we've added in a 6.5-inch woofer into the door card as well. So the mid-range and the 6.5-inch woofer are located in the door, and the tweeter is located directly on top of the dash. Basically, it's a relatively plug-and-play solution in terms of all of the stuff is completely reversible. When the customer sells a car, we can take all of the equipment out, put all the stock stuff back in, and we've actually retained all of the factory plugs and connectors, so the old speakers can go plug straight directly back in. In terms of the actual 6.5-inch woofer that we've got in the door card, what we've done is actually mounted it into the existing sort of surround that you get from Porsche themselves. So it's completely reversible, plus we're actually using exactly the same plug into that woofer as well. So not only is it OEM behind the scenes, it's also an OEM look on the outside as well. So this is giving a really nice boost in a little bit in volume, but more than anything, it's a boost in clarity that you're getting. Plus you got rid of all the rattles that you were getting from your factory door. We also do amp solutions as well. So if you're after a little bit more or a higher spec system, by all means get in touch, book an audio consultation. We'll sit down with you, design, spec, and then install everything to exactly how you want it. Hopefully you've all found the video useful. You've seen the upgrade that we've carried out. You've seen a little bit behind the scenes, as well as the upgrade that you guys could have on your Porsche 718. We also do loads of different upgrades. We do head unit conversions, we do Apple CarPlay, as well as the fact we do loads of different sound system options. Best thing you guys can do is book an audio consultation where we'll sit down with you, design, spec, and then install everything for you to exactly how you want it. We'll go through everything in more detail during those consultations, but thank you very much for watching and we look forward to seeing you soon.